y'all, so we I saw this panel HHR like so I wanted to go see it. I want to know what that Camaro. I know I was. Oh, somebody they was using it for. Ooh. It was a Banks. It was a Banks. I thought I seen an open sign right there. Dang, this is a whole rebuild. I would take it though. Beautiful. Yeah, go look. I gotta look in the window. Dang. So on flats. I've been wanting to film this for a long time. A beautiful Camaro. Listen, sure needs some work.
I'm gonna ask you guys at Harley.
F-150. Putting an auto repair. It's a little messed up right there. They did not want to sell the HHR. Does it have the window thing like ours? It don't. It's full of a lot of stuff. I'm not trying to go around to the front just in case there's some snakes up there, y'all. I don't know, maybe I can get around from the other side. Oh no, this wheezes worse. So, the tire flat in the front? Yeah, it's like a lot of snakes over here. Look at the old school Chevy truck. And then look at all the spider webs. I don't know if y'all can see all the webs all between the trucks. Like, oh my gosh. Man, poor Camaro. I would still take it. It's a full rebuild. You need engine, transmission, and all kinds of stuff. Beautiful though. The body looks pristine. Okay, maybe not pristine. We got an old RV sitting over there. This place looks run down, like really looks abandoned, but I swear I've seen people over here before. I want to go through there, but I don't want no bugs. I want to see the front. Hold up. I ain't got the proper pants on. Old school Chevy pickup truck. Full of a bunch of trash on the back of it. Damn. Was that beer cans? I don't know. Lifted F-150. I'm so excited that I finally got to see the Camaro though, but like full rebuild, like you need everything. Oh, even a coolant. The tank is like cracked. You got a gasket sitting up here. Dang. They locked the doors. They said they don't want nobody in there. I don't know if they got some parts or something in there. Oh, look at them seats. The seats are nice. Everything looks good inside. Interior wise, everything is good looking. Look at that. But they got cloth seats in the back though. Black leather seats in the front. You need a bumper piece on the bottom. Sheesh. It's like trash everywhere. Like, I don't know. In this place, I guess they still open. They got a deer head and everything in there. So, But it's just trash. Like, clean up your property. Like, oil can out here. Really nice Camaro, though. But that HHR would be perfect. It's been sitting here for a very long time. Like, that would just be cool to add to our fleet, because we already got one. I didn't show y'all this. I still gotta do the video about how we got this for free, and I'll also take a guess of how many miles this thing has on it, you guys, so you won't believe it. Oh, let me go on the side. Let me show y'all the other side of this. Oh, my husband went over to Harley. I need to go to Harley. Ooh, it looks horrible. You know this joint probably full of snakes. Ooh, there's a fence back there. I wonder if some more cars is back there. This place looks horrible. Okay, so we had to mute the sound right here because I had some music playing in my vehicle, and I don't need that interfering with the video. 65 Ford Ranch wagon. It's bagged. It says they're asking $12,000. My wagon over there. What do y'all think about it? You pay 12 grand for it? I don't know that I personally would pay 12 for it, so. To get to the other side.